Welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new or you've not subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And now let's take a look at what we will be expecting on GBP USD for the day, which is for the 5th of September. So as we can see that GBP USD has given us this bullish move. So have it in mind that I'll be giving you guys a back-to-back update in our Telegram channel. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll give you guys back-to-back updates on GBP USD in our Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section. So now, right now, if you take a look at this is from our support level. GBP USD came to this our resistance level. Then we had a drop to this our support level. Then another movement was made that came to this our resistance. So what you should be expecting next on GBP USD is another drop to this our support level. So as you are saying, we will be expecting a sell to the downside on GBP USD. So we should be expecting it to sell to our support level. So a sell is what we should be expecting on GBP USD. So stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.